So let's begin in a mermaid pose. Wow, looks like our mermaid pose has made us a real mermaid tail. How cool! Do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Abandon ship! Watch and you'll see, someday I'll be part of your world. And the prize for all of this is your voice. Let's do our magic spell. Like a sea lion. Let's make a sea lion noise. Oh, 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 oh. Very good, everyone. Snicker, snacker, snicker, snacker. Pinching at Ursula. And the other way. Snicker, snacker, snicker, snacker. And let's boing about like a bonkers flamingo again. Ready? Boing, 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 boing. It's bonkers. 1, 2, 3. Namaste.